Siri, give me a hint.
Searching for mint.
No, a hint.
Searching for splints.
Hi, I'm Kim Took, C3PO of Apple, and boy, do we have something exciting for you today. You enjoyed the iPod, you love the iPhone, and you suckers even bought our tablet. Introducing our new revolutionary line of products, the Apple Cubes. Oh, you thought it would be called the iCube? No. So, what is the Apple Cube? Well, it's a cube made by Apple. Come on, guys, you didn't know that one? Now, over to our head of design, Donnie Jives. The new Apple Cube offers an unprecedented, revolutionary, and other adjectives user experience. Without further ado, I'm pleased to introduce the Apple Cube. The Apple Cube. This is truly the best thing ever. Why? It represents the pinnacle of build quality. Why should you buy this cube and not others? It's different. Duh. Different weight, different turning, different shape, all different. Do you want the best build quality and user experience of any portable device? That's cool and all, but you should still buy the Apple Cube. Hey, it's Kim again. By the way, just putting it out there, but Android totally took our design. Don't you worry though, because our pro legal team is on the case. Yep, we're suing them. The Apple Cube, starting at $199. You can also get a gold version for $1,999. Only gold is currently available. Apple, think different. Differently. It's an advert. It's an advert for Pete's sake. It's an advert.